Looks like this machine has not been run in a while, so let's see what we got. Okay. I can see that that roller is not spinning. But yeah, look at this gutter's been sitting there for a while. So first thing we gotta do is clean it. So we got a new coil in there. We're gonna see what's going on here. All right, coming out cleaner. And still a lot of crunching noises. Let's check it out. Here's what we're looking at. The gutter is like bowed, like so. And then it goes into the house a little bit. Special wand and some acetone. So we're gonna clean this roller. We gotta make sure it's super clean here. Don't put your fingers in there. It's just really, really dirty, so. All right, it's getting better. Looks like we have a little into the house situation as well. We'll have to adjust that. We'll have to add a little bit more bead as well. But the up and down seems a little bit better. Here's the final product right there. Looks nice and straight. Got the machine cleared up. So we installed 2 missing bolts, the red ones right there, because that thing was loose. And then added some more pressure to this drive right there because it was super, super loose. So should be good to go. Ready to roll. Also wanted to mention the guides were loose on both ends. I don't know if that was on purpose, but this has to be nice and tight because the gutter was floating back and forth. So this is the correct location. Here's the final product. It's nice and straight, ready to go. Wanted to show you the final product here after we cleaned up the machine. It's like new condition. This is how a refurbished machine should look like. Right here, nice and shiny. And this thing is like 2011, so there you have it. Loading the machine back into the trailer. Bolting the machine. We'll put 8 bolts and this thing ain't going nowhere. There it is. I really like this option though, this button enclosure.
Yeah, that is nice.
Very, very professional. Okay, ready to go. The last thing I recommend is flipping this door over and bolting it to the top. Maybe in the future.